Well, good afternoon, and thank you all for being here this afternoon. As many of you know, we have confirmed our very first case of swine flu here in Arizona. The individual is an 8-year-old boy from the North Phoenix area. We sent a sample to the CDC on Monday evening and received the results early this morning that the sample tested positive for the swine flu virus. I have received several reports that the child has already recovered and has resumed his normal activity, so that's a very positive step in recovery. Our public health officials are meeting with the child's family and the school officials to discuss the next steps. With me here today are state and local health officials who will outline for you what those next steps are. These interventions are outlined in our state pandemic flu plan, which was designed to provide us with a framework for exactly how to proceed in these kinds of circumstances. We have fully mobilized all our available resources within our state and local health departments to meet this issue head on. They are collaborating with our emergency management workers and with our education department, certainly Department of Public Safety, Homeland Security, and DEMA to execute the key components of our plan and to implement tried and true public health interventions that we hope will stem the spread of the virus in our state. We're also in the process of distributing our state stockpile of antiviral medications to our local health departments who will get those drugs to the healthcare providers who will get them to the patients in need of treatment. We have also accepted additional medication from the federal government and are working to getting those distributed as well. I want to assure all Arizonans that we are monitoring this situation very carefully and continuing to devote appropriate resources to stem the spread of this virus. Please, I ask the public to continue their own very diligent efforts to prevent the spread of the virus, including staying home from school, work, or other public activities if you are sick, covering your mouth if you sneeze or cough, and continue washing your hands. I just got off the phone just before I left the Capitol and was speaking with Secretary Napolitano from Homeland Security. She was calling all the governors throughout the country to see how and what was taking place and assured us that the Homeland Security would be there if we needed additional help or access. And I told her that we appreciated it. I certainly indicated that I felt that Arizona was on the right track, that we had a great team, and that we are prepared in the very best of manner that you could ever face anything of this kind of incident in Arizona. So I feel very confident that we do have everything under control, and the public should feel that we have everything under control. If any further information is needed from the public, they can go to the Department of Health Services website or call the Department of Health Services. So at this time, I will ask my Director of Health Services, Will Humble, to come up and to provide you all with some more detailed update and to introduce the local health authorities which have joined us today and that they are on the ground across the whole state of Arizona. Will?